Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'll be comparing the Umidigi F3 with the Umidigi A13 Pro. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's find out which of the two devices is best. So both the Umidigi F3 and the A13 Pro has glass bodies. As opposed to the Umidigi A13 Pro, the F3 doesn't have the modern flat frame design. It's the reason why the Umidigi A13 Pro is the most beautiful compared to its rebranded versions. Both the F3 and the A13 Pro has a 6.7-inch super large display. The resolution is HD+, and the panel is IPS. They both ship with the Android 11 OS, and there is no mention from Umidigi if these devices will be getting the Android 12 update anytime soon. The Umidigi F3 is powered by the Helio P70 chip, while the Umidigi A13 Pro is powered by the Unisoc T610 chip. Now both chips are mid-range chips, and in terms of performance they are very similar guys, but a lot of people would definitely go for the Helio P70 as a much more better chip compared to the Unisoc T610, because a lot of people are familiar with the Helio P70. They all know that the Helio P70 is the upgraded version of the Helio P60 that was released a few years ago. The Helio P70 is definitely a very nice chip, although it is very old, but a lot of people prefer the Helio P70 to the Unisoc T610. The Umidigi F3 has a much more bigger RAM. It has 8GB RAM, while the Umidigi A13 Pro has up to 6GB RAM. Both devices have a 128GB internal storage, and of course the storage could be expanded using an SD card. Both devices have a triple camera setup, a 48 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. Also, they both have a 16 megapixel front camera. In terms of taking pictures and shooting videos, the F3 and the A13 Pro will definitely perform similarly. So both the Umidigi F3 and the A13 Pro have a 5150 mAh battery, but the F3 ships with a much more faster charger, an 18 watts fast charger, while the A13 Pro ships with a much more slower charger guys, just a 10 watts charger. It's actually a con because a 5150 mAh battery is really big. 18 watts is good for a battery this big, but 10 watts will definitely charge the device slower compared to 18 watts. Other features like NFC, face unlock, and many others are supported on both devices. The F3 in my opinion is a much more better device because it has a bigger RAM, it has a faster charger, and it ships with the Helio P70 chip. I'd go for the Helio P70 any day guys. In my opinion, it's still a chip that I'm very familiar with, although it's very old. I know a lot about the Helio P70, so it's a chip that I'll definitely go for compared to the Unisoc T610. The T610 is also a very nice mid-range chip, but like I said, a lot of people are familiar with the Helio P70. So in my opinion, the Umidigi F3 is a much more better device. It is better than the A13 Pro in my opinion. But which of the two devices do you guys think is best? Make sure to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.